Hello guys, I am Samaya and I am going to show you what I can do in gymnastics. Let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to try a candlestick. Check it out. Oh! I have long legs. Okay, I don't think that will help. Oh. Okay, I think it did work out. I don't know. I need a break just from doing all of that. Just finished getting some water. Next, I'm going to be trying a back bend, I think. Okay, so don't judge me because I'm not that good at this one. Okay. Oh! I'm doing it. I'm actually doing it. Wow. Did I accomplish that one? Who knows? Okay. Now I'm going to try a handstand. I'm shooting this way. Okay, here we go. Ready. I'm gonna put myself on the couch. I'm not good at this one either. I guess we can just skip that though. Hi. I don't know how to do this. Here we go. Oh! I think I did it. I think I did it. Okay. Okay, I can't do it. I just did it, but I need to keep my balance up longer and my legs up high. I don't want to tip over on the towel. Oh. Okay, one more try. Oh. Yeah. I don't think I'm cut out to do a handstand. Then I'm going to try a jump. A split jump. Okay. Here we go. Wait. I can't do this. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I can do it. And I'm not gonna stop trying to handstand until I get it. I need to get it. Were like this, but they were supposed to be like this. They're only like this, not like this. So we need to get to this instead of this, this, or this. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I don't know how I can balance it out for a amount period of time than more than just 1.5 seconds or 2 seconds. So we're gonna try. Okay, here we go. At least I got one thing. Oh, I hurt my toe. Ouch. Epic fail. Okay, let's try this again. I almost broke my, ow. I could have broke my neck there. We're gonna move on with something else. Let me try this. My hand. I'm tired. Okay, let's try this. Ready, set, go. Okay. Oh, I need to back up first. Okay, I give up. Well, this has been an epic